Hey everybody, Chris Collard here. I am filling in for Tyler on a Tech Tip Tuesday. In the shop, setting up a set of ring-in pinion gears. You'll obviously see that is not a Jeep. So we got a drink, and that's actually an 82 Toyota. I've had it since I was in college. But we are doing ring gears today because it's had one that went south on me. And this Tech Tip is you've got ring gears and you got your differential. This happens to be a Detroit locker. And they bolt in from the back side. Problem is, this is a machined fit, almost a pressed fit. You could pound it down here with a mallet and get it to seat against the differential surface, but you're going to have a real hard time getting it in that position with the bolts in. So what do? Well, you heat it up. Probably wondering why I've got a Weber barbecue here. If your wife doesn't want you to be putting car parts in the oven, or I've had to fix differentials or set ring gears in the field, and you just got to think about other options. You could heat it up over some rock sitting over coals on a fire. You could also do it on a cast iron skillet on your Coleman stove. You only really need to get it up to about 350 degrees. The gear will drop in over the differential, and you'll be able to spin it to line up the bolt. But we're going to do it in the Weber barbecue. We'll be back. Barbecue is getting warm. I think I'm going to go medium rare with this one. It's starting to smell like barbecued ring gear. Yum. All right, nice hot ring gear. Let's see how it works here. Yep, slides right over, and I can turn it. I got my bolts Loctited carefully, not to there's one. And there's two. So I'm gonna flip it over, put the rest of them in, torque them. And that is your tech tip of the day for Tuesday. Don't forget to put your gears on the barbecue. See you next time.